What's up guys, how you doing? MJ coming at you. Today we have a special unboxing of the fresh, out of the box, the not mid-ranger but the upper mid-ranger, the Nokia 7 Plus with Android One, fresh from Google. Alright, this phone, before I start unboxing it, I want to announce that I will make a giveaway for this phone. Alright, I'm gonna do a giveaway. All you have to do is just like or dislike, up to you, but most importantly you have to subscribe. So subscribe for the channel. I'll pick a subscriber and this phone is gonna be shipped to your place regardless of where you are. I'll ship it to anywhere. Anyways, let's start with unboxing. Let's go. Before we do, let's take a quick look at the box. It has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 with a 6-inch 18 by 9 Full HD Plus display. It has a ZS Optics 12 megabytes, 13 megabytes dual rear camera with 16 megabytes front camera. It has a dual sight mode. This is an exclusive to Nokia, where they record the front camera and the back camera. We're gonna dig deep on the phone, and we're gonna do a long review for the phone. I'm gonna break down every aspect of this phone to make sure that is it good as a value for money. We're gonna see. Anyways, we're gonna open the box right now. Alright, so let's unbox the phone and see how it looks like. First off, the box is actually smart because all they have to do is move the sticker up here, and Nokia put this little thing over here so you can just easily slide the box outside and you can reveal the phone just like that. So we have the phone on the right and we have the stuff on the left here, so we will be able to see what did they include in the box. Alright, now let's see what we have here. I'm gonna open up. We have the USB Type-C, because a USB Type-C type of thing, right? And we have the we want USB Type-C, and we have the earbuds. Yeah, it's an earbuds. What else we have here? Yeah, we have the charger, and as you know, it's a quick charger from Nokia. We're gonna go deep in analysis in the review, so just let's take a quick look at the phone itself and see how it actually, what it is and how it actually looks like. So we have the phone. It's a beautiful, beautiful design from Nokia. As you can see, we have the copper color over here, and it's very well built phone, to be honest with you. We have a headphone jack. Congrats everybody. We don't have a notch. And yeah, we have a one speaker on below, as you can see. Bottoms, volume up, down, power bottom, and we have a SIM card here, dual SIM cards. It's a 64 gigabytes and it's a 4 gigabyte of RAM. Right, that's about it, guys. That's about the unboxing. We're gonna go deep. Oops, no wait, we have other things to unbox. We have the SIM ejector tool, as you can see in here, and we have, they included the case as well. Lucky you. Alright, so the person who's gonna get at a giveaway will be a lucky person, because yeah, they have the case as well. Alright, so please like and subscribe, guys. I'm gonna go deep in the analysis in the review. I'm gonna compare the speaker, I'm gonna compare the camera, I'm gonna compare other things, the software, the hardware, everything, for the next upcoming videos of Nokia 7 Plus. Like and subscribe so you can be the lucky person. See you guys later.